My district Kanpur is famous for the Manchester of North India. I have completed my intermediate from UP board. My hobbies are playing outdoor games and listening music. I am physically fit and mentally sound. I easily adjust with all kinds of environment. In the Indian Air Force is the most respected job in our society. Is no reservation and no discrimination based on color, caste, religion. I want to join Indian Air Force because I want to touch the sky with glory. We are gathered here for the group discussion. Now I come to the topic Digital India campaign. First of all, we have to understand digitalization. Digitalization means to convert physical thing into digital thing, which can help to make work easily. As we all know that this is the 21st century, where people want to do their work fastly. That is why our Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Damodar Das Modi was launched a program that is Digital India. And as we know, everything has its pros and cons. Now we discuss its pros. Digital India digitalization provides us an easy life. It reduces pollution and traffic on roads. In my opinion, digitalization is the boon for the poor students who cannot afford offline classes due to financial problem, and it saves us our time. In Corona periodic, digitalization is the only thing that helps us to do work at home, to do study at home. In Corona period, how much important digitalization is. Now we discuss its cons. Digitalization makes us lazy and lethargic. It reduces our physical effort. Digitalizations.
Enough.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ritik Sachan. I hail from Manchester of India, Kanpur. My father name is Satish Sachan. And now I am pursuing a Bachelor of Science from Janata Mahavidyalaya. My hobbies are singing song, dancing, and playing outdoor games. It is my improvement. I want to improve my communication skills. I want to join the Indian Air Force because it settled my life very earlier and I give equality to the all sector boys and adventurous lives too. Now I am going to speak about the digitalization. As we know that our Narendra Modi PM said that we should be digital to reduce the pollution and to reduce the effect of physically. As we know that what is a digital? Digital is doing a virtual things by the human beings. As you know that in this time we are paying by the digital scanning the code of the Paytm, like Paytm is Amazon and like that. I think this is also helpful to reduce the viruses. As you know in this time the crises are going on. It is also reduce the crisis and reduce the viruses to without touching the human being. And as you know that digitalization help also the boys who are studying online classes. And all the boys who are not afford the offline classes, they can search online and they can study by the online classes. So it is a very helpful for us. But it is also very harmful if you are not responsible, if you are not save our data. If you are responsible, if you are responsible for our data, I think it is good for us. If we will go through all documents very safe and very responsibilities, I think it will be good for us. Thank you.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. As far as my introduction is concerned, I am Balram Dubey. I hail from Kanpur, which is famous for leather industry. I tell about my family background. My father is a farmer and my mother is a housewife. We are 4 siblings. Now I tell about my education. I have done my BSc first standard from Kanpur University. Now I am pursuing for Indian Air Force. My hobbies are playing cricket and listening music. The positive in my personality are that I am good learner, diligent and smart worker. To become the part of Indian Air Force has been the dream of my life since my childhood. To accomplish this dream and to support my family, I want to join Indian Air Force. Today we are here to discuss about the topic. The topic is Digital India. Digital India campaign was launched on 1 July 2015 by the Prime Minister of India. The main objective of this campaign was to make the citizens digitally literate and to provide and to provide various government services online. If I talk about its pros, through this campaign we can share our views, thoughts and suggestions to the government through Narendra Modi app, and it have a great impact on education system. There are a lot of content available on internet which we can use for study, and there are a lot of teachers available on the internet who are providing the classes freely, and it is very beneficial for the farmers because they can know the exact value of the crops. And if I talk about its pros, there are a lot of villages, rural areas where the electricity is not available. So it will be the biggest issue for digital India. And thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Amarjit. I am from Kanpur district Uttar Pradesh. My father name is Mr. Ramatar and he is a farmer. As far as my education concerned, I have done my class 12 from UP board, and recently I have done my graduation from Kanpur University. My hobby is reading books because reading skills is a more emphatic for all life, and I want to join the Indian Air Force because it is my passion, and it is the most respectful job in our society, and it gives me respectful and disciplined life. Now in my opinion, the topic is digitalization. Today we see in the society our all system is based on approximately in digitalization. As you can say, in the society, many platform as online education, e-learning, and work from home, that is based on digitalization. So we can say that today everyone know the digitalization. Digitalization is a basic means that is a interlinked with a connection that easily make for our system, and I can use very easily.
Enough.
Good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon to all of my lady friends. My name is Hars. My father's name is Mr. Ramcharan Prajapati. I belong to UP at Kanpur. I have completed my 10th and 12th from UP board from RCD Inter College, UP Kanpur Nagar. Recently, I have completed my graduation. My hobbies are playing cricket, watching movies, and reading newspaper. My standpoint is that I am self-motivated and laborious boy. I want to join Indian Air Force as an airman, so we are present here for the group discussion. As we know that today's topic is Digital India. First of all, we should know about it. Digital India is a campaign launched by the government of India. It was launched on 1st July 2015 by our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Damodar Das Modi. The main purpose of it, connect rural areas with the highly connected internet networks. As we know, every coin has two sides. First, we see about its pros. As we know, in the past time, a man had to go to the bank to submit the money, and by launching this campaign, it is very easy to send money with the help of Google Pay and Phone Pay. As we know that with the help of Digital India, it increases.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Dishat Katiyar. I hail from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. I did my 12th in 2017. Now I am pursuing graduation from Kanpur University. My hobbies are reading books and reading newspaper and playing cricket. I want to join Indian Air Force as an airman, so I am present here for group discussion. Today's topic is Digital India. Digital India is a flagship program of our government. It was launched in 2015. Its aim to transform India to social empowered digital society. This portal, designed and developed by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. First, we will see its Digital India has achieving many important points. First, we will say with one click we can get access with our class, and we can also buy foods class, and if we want anywhere we want withdraw our balance. Some small steps we can withdraw our balance. And
Good afternoon, sir, and all of my friends. My name is Shreyas Saab. I am 17 years old. I born and brought up in my village, Ismailpur district, Fatehpur, Uttar Pradesh. I completed my 10 plus 2 from Ghatampur, Kanpur Nagar. In current, I am doing graduation with the Kanpur University. My parents teach us square deal manner. I am past 2 and hard worker. My hobbies are reading a historical knowledgeable book, and I like to play outdoor game. Friends, the topic given to us today for the discussion is Digital India. Couple of decades, internet are not popular in our country, and it is also costly for the middle class families. But after the 2015, when our government started the mission named was Digital India Mission, every person know what is the internet, and they are know how to use the internet, and by using of internet they can study. Student can study by using of internet, and farmer get the knowledge and they are complete their crops and got a great finance and businessmen do their business by using of internet. But we cannot deny that increase of internet also cyber crime also increase day by day, and it is our duty to secure our data and information. Our government do many work for destroying the cyber crime. Thank you.
Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Ankesh Satan and I am 19 years old. I was born in Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, and there I have done my graduation last year. If I talk about my family, my father is an electrician and my mother is a tailor. My hobbies are playing outdoor games, especially cricket and badminton. My strength is I am a self-motivated and a hard-working person. I want to join Indian Air Force because I want to prove the financial condition of my family, and also it's a job full of adventure, pride and satisfaction. So these are some reasons that's why I want to join Air Force. Now I would like to my topic, that is about Digital India. Digital India is a campaign run by our PM Narendra Modi, and its initiative was started in UP by Mr. Akhilesh Yadav. He distributed laptops to the students. Its reason was to make students digitally known that everything is going digital nowadays, and it's also important. In old days we can.
Hi sir. Good afternoon everyone, and my name is sir. My name is Ritik Kumar and I am from village Salwanpur, Kanpur Nagar. I have completed my 10 plus 2 from MD William Umri College, and nowadays I am pursuing my graduation from CSCM University, Kanpur Nagar. And my father is a farmer and my mother is a homemaker. I belong from a middle class family, and my hobbies are like reading books and listening songs. Today's topic is Digital India. Digital India was very first introduced by Mr. Akhilesh Yadav, who was CM of UP, and in 2015 it was followed up by Mr. Narendra Modi, who is currently PM of our nation. And Digital India is not just a topic to.
Sir. Good afternoon everyone. My name is Karan Singh. I am from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my 12th from UP board and now I am graduating. My father, Mr. Mohanlal, is a farmer and my mother is a housewife. I have a couple of hobbies. One of them is playing cricket, and I want to join Indian Air Force because this is my parents' dream, and I think this is our first duty to fulfill our parents' dream. And my mother, who wants to see me as a airman. And let me put some thoughts on our given topic, Digital India. I think everything has its pros and cons. And Digital India, our government wants to develop our country as a digitally, and our many parties has given their best, but our PM Mr. Narendra Modi has our PM Mr. Narendra Modi is giving his best, as I think, and I want to think